Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you to my fake studio audience. Today we are going to have another edition of Open House with Mr. Jensen. Your particular edition will be ceramics. I cannot tell you how excited I am to get back on the wheel and back in the ceramic room. The last 2 years, because of COVID and everything that's been going on, we haven't offered as many ceramic classes, and I am really excited to get back in the class with you guys for ceramics. We're going to have to wait a little bit of time. It's not till second semester, but it should be an awful lot of fun. We will certainly learn about the basics of ceramics. We'll work on the wheel, we'll work on some hand builds. We've got some really neat projects that we're going to get through. If you don't know anything about ceramics at all, don't worry. We'll teach you everything you need to know, and we will be bringing home some neat and interesting pieces, I think, before it's all done. So I want you to know that I'm excited to have a chance to get back in and to get a little bit dirty with you guys in a ceramics class. It should be a lot of fun. The best way to get a hold of me on the odd chance that something is going wrong or there's a problem is probably through email. I'll check that a couple times a day. I usually check Schoology at least once or twice a day if you message me that way. I can be reached through the school's phone system, but voicemails only show up as a little light on the phone, and sometimes I notice it, and sometimes it takes a couple days. So if you need me in a hurry, the other two methods are probably better. If you give me 24 hours, I will always get back in touch with you. I am here for an hour before school starts every day. Some days I will be here a little bit after school. It shouldn't take me more than 24 hours to get a hold of anybody. I think if you're in a ceramics class, it is certainly one of my favorite classes to teach. It will be a lot of fun. We will make some neat things. You can't go wrong. I'm hoping to see you guys second semester. Don't drop that class. You want it. Bye.